Today I'm going to do a quick introduction video to the new Nest Protect, which is now a fire alert device. However, it's powered by the Nest, so it looks very similar in form factor of Nest. It's now made by Fire Alert, however, it has Nest Protect built into it. Our mounts currently, we have two square mounts, and they're both with 1GU ring. The 1GU ring is to support 1GU mounting on the bottom plate. And then once this is in, you can see what this looks like. So this is the new Fire Alert in our mount. This is the model 165 by 47. And then we have another mount that's slightly a little bit wider, that's also made for a different square smoke detector by Gentex. However, the same mount can also have the Fire Alert installed in it. It just creates a little bit of a different reveal. This one is slightly regressed in. This one is more on the surface. However, both of them fit pretty well and look pretty nice with the new square Fire Alert Nest Protect smoke.